Introducing the COOLMAN V88 Turbo Rim Blade, a blade engineered for precision cutting, speed, and reliability across the toughest construction materials. Recently, one of our customers used the V88 specifically for cutting glass fiber reinforced concrete, or GFRC. This material is known for its strength, density, and high fiber content, which makes it challenging for most blades. Many blades struggle with chipping, overheating, and fast wear when cutting GFRC, but the V88 delivers outstanding performance. With its advanced turbo rim design, the V88 offers sharp, clean, and stable cutting action. Every pass through GFRC stays smooth and accurate, with minimal chipping even on delicate or thin panels. The rim structure helps control cutting pressure, giving a perfectly neat edge finish. The blade is designed to run cooler, maintain sharpness longer, and reduce vibration. This gives operators faster cutting speed, smoother handling, and better control, especially during long continuous cuts. Professionals appreciate how the V88 stays consistent from the start of the job to the final piece. Most importantly, the COOLMAN V88 demonstrates exceptional durability. Even on abrasive materials like GFRC, it maintains a long cutting lifespan with minimal wear. Our customer reported sharp performance, smooth operation, and excellent blade condition even after extended use. The COOLMAN V88 Turbo Rim Blade, sharp, smooth, and built for long-lasting professional results. Choose COOLMAN. Choose power, precision, and reliability.